They are ready to see you. Yeah, let's see. You are you going to go?
Hello, good morning, children.
Morning. Good morning,
Yes, how are you?
We are fine. We are
Yes,
fine.
we are about to start the lesson as we are waiting for some children to join us. So you need to get ready. Is it okay?
Yes.
We need to get ready. Now, you mute your microphone.
So when you ask them to answer, that's when they unmute. This one muted. This one muted. And this one. So you tell, if you don't say no unmuted, you tell them.
It's okay. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, we are here to start.
Yes.
Are we clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
We are beginning straight away, and yesterday I told you that we are talking about the topic which is the last topic in physics, and that topic is called reproductive system. Are we together?
Yes.
So yesterday we were saying that reproduction is a process by which living organisms reproduce themselves or multiply themselves by producing their young ones similar to themselves. We talked about different terms under that, and we were talking about reproduction. By definition, the word growth, development, puberty, adolescent, and so many others. Children, we say that the stages which are involved during adolescent stage are grouped into 4. Again, hello? Hello?
Hello?
Are you getting me?
Yes.
That is good. So these changes, or the stages which occur during adolescent stage are grouped into 4. We say primary sex characteristics, secondary sex characteristics, psychological and emotional changes, and then the last one is out of step adolescent changes. Are we there?
Yeah.
We started with the first one, and the first one we talked about primary sex characteristics. We say that these are simply changes that prepare the sexual organs for their functions in the reproduction. These changes prepares the testicles and the ovaries and the uterus in their functions of reproduction. We say that these changes occur differently according to sex. Primary sex characteristics occur differently in both boys and girls. So we talked about primary sex characteristics in boys. We started with boys first, and we say that these changes which occur in boys during primary sex characteristics include the penis increase in size, testicles start producing sperms and semen. I told you that semen, that fluid that enables semen to move as it is swimming, going up to the oviduct. That fertilization takes place. The third one, we said that the boys begin experiencing wet dreams. Then sex characteristics in girls, we say the first one, the uterus and the ovaries develop. Another one, ovulation period begins, and we say that ovulation is the period or is the process by which the ovaries start producing mature ova. I told you that ovulation occurs after every 28. Menstruation occurs after every 28.
Yes.
Then the last one, how menstruation period starts. It's okay, I've not yet reached that. So menstruation period starts.
Yeah.
Then we went straight away to secondary sex characteristics, and we say that these are changes that distinguish a grown-up man from a mature woman. These changes are sometimes called physical sex characteristics. They are called physical sex characteristics because we are able to see them happening. We are able to witness on the body of a person who has reached adolescence stage. We together? Hello?
Yes.
That is good. So secondary sex characteristics are not to be called physical sex characteristics. We say that these are changes that distinguish, that gives the difference a grown-up man from a mature woman. You are able to say that this one is a woman, this one is a man, this one is a boy, and this one is a girl, using the secondary sex characteristics. And we say that these changes also occur in both boys and girls. We are starting with the secondary sex characteristics in boys. And we say that the sweat glands become more active. We have a growth of pubic hair. The hair will start growing around the pubes. The pubes are areas around the private parts. If you look at your armpits and you have reached this, you will see some hair. If you look at around your private parts, around the penis and the vagina there, you will also see the hair. We together?
Yeah.
Then another one, the voice breaks and deepens. And I was explaining this one yesterday. Then another one is general muscular structure showing muscular features. The chest will become big. The general body will become muscular to show that you are already a man, not a boy or not a woman. And then these changes, these secondary sex characteristics occur as a result of too much influence of a certain hormones. Hormones are produced by the testes. How do we call hormone? Hormone is called testosterone. How do you call that hormone? Hello?
Yes.
How do you call that hormone that influences the secondary sex characteristics in boys?
Testosterone.
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 Hola, Shama. First listen, we have that hormone is called testosterone.
Testosterone.
Testosterone is the hormone that influences the secondary sex characteristics in boys. And that is where we ended yesterday. Now this morning, we are continuing to secondary sex characteristics in girls. How do we know that this girl has reached adolescent stage and she is particularly in the stage called secondary sex characteristics? Secondary sex characteristics in girls. The first one have the sweat glands become more active, which means that this one is common in both boys and girls. The second characteristics, which is common in both boys and girls, is that the sweat glands become more active. In boys, glands become more active. Even in girls, the sweat glands become more active. 2, we have growth of pubic hair. That one also happens in both. The sweat glands are more active. Then 2, the growth of pubic hair. These 2 happens in both boys and girls. We together. Tomorrow they are going to ask that identify 2 secondary sex characteristics which are common in both adolescent boys and girls. The first answer should be
the sweat glands become more active. One network.
Teacher, I can't see your face. You can't even hear you.
One network.
So what's up? Is this poor network? Shama, your network is even worse. Man, your voice sounds like for a robot. You have to go to a place with better connection.
Shama, you're talking like a robot. Who's that?
Accord. Accord.
Yes?
What are you doing?
Aparo.
What?
You're not like the worst. Put
My network is the best. I can't even hear your voice.
You're hearing. Put video.
Okay, I'm hearing your voice, but it is stammering.
This comes in.
Eh?
Have you seen come singing?
You're missing Kopsinge? What? What are you saying?
Are you saying come singing?
Kopsinge is item.
Aparo.
Yes?
No.
I'm not saying Kopsinge.
I'm saying. I'm
You're
saying.
saying that?
Junkie girls. Yes.
I've seen her. Techno Pop 2 Plus.
Techno pop. Yes.
There are 2 background disturbers.
Yeah, now see.
Hello. This is, listen to me.
Yes?
This is the parent of Cementa. Most of you right now are connected to a link that is not the link where the teacher is. Please find the science lesson and connect to that link. You are signed in another different link. Okay?
It's flowing just fine.
The teacher is already teaching, and yet for you people are not learning.
Yes, this is the link of the science lesson.
Science lesson.
Lost one.
Back home. We are seeing teacher now. We are not seeing teacher. Stop seeing teacher again. The teacher here.
You guys. Are you thinking?
Olia. Olia. Waka.
It's class time.
They're trying to connect. Yeah. I saw it here.
Okay, you go to your slides.
No.
What is wrong?
We don't know.
Let me first start having breakfast.
Olia, first shut up.
Olia,
What?
Why you laugh like a rabbit?
How about you?
Laugh like a lion.
Yahweh, you don't like a
You guys, what is Yahweh?
eh? Oparo,
Yeah.
Oparo.